our brother men second say and some other say our bro coach your friend say your club back club your friend say Liverpool na Chelsea record at ho and Manchester akota one asha go our FA Cup no na no Michael Owen sometime no na Michael Owen a record no and some 19 years and 20 days and natural sometime na Michael Owen and akota one some asha go our FA Cup no na so your club buy when him say your players ama come akwa 6 na Chelsea players and na manager no so woman nyina so maba uram our sa record no mo woman so asha goals our FA Cup no Curtis Jones Eddie Kayebi na ne gen 18 years and 11 months and 6 days and what they have Elliot and some other 18 years 10 months and 2 days ebiem Shei Ojo one some 18 years 7 months and 1 day Laris Kumas Ayakadana Enra one some Bobby and some Atwat our Bracodano and some 18 years 5 months and 13 days our bra Jedin dance Ayakadabia Nidian 18 years 1 month and 10 days and a fee Ked Gordon and some 17 years 3 months and 4 days our Bramano Kasai manager for say your club at Daruma Yababa your place Amakuma 6 woman Kwada Nacha Somo FA Kamende woman some Achmiana our Bracodana your friend Laris Kumasano and Ono and some Adanadia and some Nadia Soso our Brown something yet Abana manager your friend your club at Kasai na come on baby and day pano manager some they want to just say and that will be a kind of Liverpool Quate and Liverpool Quate no man in Popona woman get a bono quano musro Sano Cradie na I am Quatankwa Panfano Bakum Yanabim and a chance woman some Remo coach and say one about Liverpool and a bona assasana woman the Aquadabe Shema now Quadana Bona Papa Paninano I on one shot club no and Abasu just say one some asete a Liverpool one more style of play or Bayano Wabasete Nioma Nasankabia honest Achas Ora your father John W. Henry Edgenemono Sankakoba Sebia Fenwell Sports Group Amama Kwaya and Yara Sankabia style of play no one some about me Amaya Juma and some our club your father say Liverpool Ajiba Conson say Wuba a Liverpool Omutim Naswaya Baby Omutraining Omani Academy for no Wamo Brain Pa was him a baby Kitwabina Chese I said Chomum Yanuntam and to one sete Quaya Liverpool Bafasua Woman some Ababomo Bontine Ababakaho Amakodabia for Academy Ba a senior Saida what I'm saying Liverpool Timono and some Nasibomo Bonti set up on the on one a minimum I am Panofonum and a man of backup no I Manchester Bibia Kama Cocha your fans a club and ye
work in the same building just on different sides. The way Liverpool wants to play is clear as well. I mean, it's a specific day a few years ago. It's probably was set up by me, but it's not. The club needs to agree on that. I cannot stand in the academy every day on a training pitch and say we do that in training. Everybody bought into that. That's the best news. Because it's not about how you play, it's about you because there might be different styles, different ways, but you have to make sure that these exceptional talents understand that a football game starts with defending. Because they're all talented, otherwise they would not play for Liverpool, but it's in the
yes, I know I am manager Fanasa jogging club and all that's what transfer on one buyer and so I said the Liverpool best yabona oh my national Liverpool by the Omunji Premier League nibida or to my Satana Kunkon Tinkon na chesa Gerard Munya no ma soma boy na boy di America na chesa omotewe na dembama mona munti manager na buyer was what I said Chenioma Abmena Meno Casino and your man so assasa serious here and your man no Sabasa Biamo stories in the patia can be out there also second you know ya the abama na Jaminian sana Liverpool Paswaya on say clubs to be a director of football e be a sporting director yes Liverpool pan for say one be so much crap side in the frimu one member you sa time na mom one member so mo yeno aye chese near fanasa we a football chief executive officer and until Michael Edwards I'm gonna try one last time na mom I'm call the chat no Metesa Michael Edwards say obese Liverpool ababeti ase now ababa football chief executive officer and so I'm a Liverpool there wonya full control one pair and so the abone emani pano now say kitade ni Kia, I said, Jibi and Wakaso, now or Diamond Tabibama, what the Jumane Shannon said, a total control, a full control, and I just want to know, or run for some Mike Edwards, no, and Sana Jumanova, what was some Ababaye. Now, my main front to him, some no Casay, when him say Liverpool for the Saha, Bamuch in front of your move, German, Dedaka, Muno running at Tikromo. Now say, yea, yes, ye befano, ye can in an almost still, I'm no Casay, and Dasso Aya Zabi Alonso, or no, and what Dasso Aya front runner, and some other matches, Jumano. Now, Gentia say, yes, Liverpool, but for the say, or we're for the Alonso, the right man, I just want to know about plus manager, your funny your club, understand that your coach is on my one time and want to me more Okra Chelsea, and your £1 billion blue bottle jobs are still woman to me who am one. Now, so almost per coach, Sandy Pan about just one and found and the resources are one in what to me edu over TV. Enti Zabi Alonso take a box no nessa wosha Granit Xhaka Arsenal faso wawie wasemo fa ne mrame Alex Grimaldo no fa ne free no more talk wo me do eba be shem ne tantala nom and chese Jeremy from Bonom Tapso Bane Jonathan Ta omokra ne chese mranta bi ankam sa wo mo city nom and chese Chelsea nom ankomo tete bench na so we said your wura yi agem kwade adwuma na we players so one results awonya na so wa chibi kwam so and until no mufusa Alonso nani ankwada we kwa no do ma ya adwuma se no nya mo salama ne nkwada ne jedin dance mo ne nkwada akade ne akadwuma de wo baby pa enti anom kakra fri amaso ye enso ngade aba ho nsam ne nyina no ye de am ye tefanya me ya doma Sunday ayamanshu ane boboku a just your friend Man City a gamer we will surely be there ye ba wona ye hu said yes match no abesi akwada mom mame front to one say coach we there adeba kwam de Yada Eric Ten Hag ne say no on board below belt da our pre-match and also post match busana we be catch us say yey say our former team BN was so Man United entimin no omo busa Man U manager ne say omakwa draw na draw no mokwa no next game quarter final what draw Liverpool and Yabiano who match the son so omono de omono say another great challenge ama club your friend say Man U said Liverpool for no our form come up and so nyina chi no we fan match after match our match Manchester United and a club your friend say Liverpool abebo and some our FA Cup quarter final no yentie Man U coach.
We are really looking forward because we like the challenges, and it's a great game for us to play. And but first of all, we're now looking forward to Sunday.
Yes, na chese eno aye kakra free manager na so ye enso adebanti arena aye great challenge na mom say baby o my attention wo aye nyame yadoma Sunday e wa Manchester derby bus way aye Man City Man United game and also because Manchester manager na say ye want to just enro omo kire ye emo bia Sompa Manchester ni bono bo na deba ko ehia ne ye pa no so mama dia ye can say consistency aye adwuma consistency and say enro wo bia no say bia Man U kofrim na se bia Man U betro ye hu ye na Man U Casemiro na just wa make a difference am a team no enti se na mo ye ne enro no awosamo toa so Sunday na matoa so bre Sunday manim no se de be ya abe manioma nyina no ensom atimi akokama na jaminya no sese no se mame aye noni madueke enro anoni madueke so na nyo enro manager no start enro na nyanyanya ya wo hwe screen so aye no ne chase Chelsea supporter ba konya back and forth our IG na nipa no hwe the profile na say no bio na nipa no dia show say oh you musician enti wey aye chase anonzino no aye no ne madueke ana underscore Davis no aye musician sana no bio no sitie na kwan na di kan o cause na openi chese ye pass ball ma kra wontimi shot the ball entimi gad the ball koda ketua mo jamono ho sisi ho so ba ma 10 gram chese ball ba na hopo na sana ositie na wo kra ne ti da be kra na wo be consistent da ben ana ba ma series motompa eno e wasoro bro I show money on the oye kra ona no madueke ba na madueke se ekra minim bob bochel me ye footballer wo ya ntuni minim bob bochel wo ya ntuni masa diula mu na me so minim die mu sa na ye no enti diula mu na mo ni nyina kyerɛ Nyankopɔn nhyira wɔn pɛ so wɔbɛkyerɛ sɛ nnwomtoni deɛ ɛsi dɛn na wɔn wɔbɛkyerɛ obi ɔbɔbɔ sɛ ne yɛhyɛw de bɔ sɛ ne yɛgade bɔ nti bɛma wonim deɛ yɛ ma no nso ɔbɛdi le mu na afei wɔno no ne mado eke nso ɛbɛdi le mu akyɛ sɛ bɛma tutu bi atwi meko nso ɛde ayɛ nnwomtoni ne ho a ɛnom ayɛ update aba Chelsea wɔn manager no ɛno ɔde goalkeeper yɛfa no sɛ Robert Sanchez ɛbɛda mu wɔfiri injury ba afei no ɔbɔbra na sɛ de obi adi adanse sɛ George Petrovic ɔno ɛno ɔso ɔyɛ Chelsea number 1 ha ɛno ɔbɔ no kwakya bra na goalkeeper ho po hey okay keteke first no train ba bra ɛwɔ ha ne ayi kura bɛte no a Sanchez ɛkyerɛ hey na sɛ Jaminya no sɛ wɔn sɛ ɔmo kɔe Arsenal for Botugui. One sound kwa Emma Arsenal. Esa Botugui akwadana. Your friend Aaron Ramsdale. Open and come and enter the bench. And to crime be also Chelsea besa kwa this summer. Nasa Ramsdale aba. One aba number 1. Ama George Petrovic and number 2. Abasa Chelsea. One more team on build different. Yami adama next season. No goalkeeping department. I see. Chelsea. Omutiri abasa no. And so aba plus. Ama team no. Now coach and friend sir Mauricio Pochettino. And was say what can some rich no more come for so boy bona ya bonon Chelsea na and maybe a drug ban number JJ titles at the Chelsea no woman to me match Chelsea habakosama woman in maybe a tremendous football no and illusionist for Juma and your magician at Juma ebi awo say oh na say trophy abesi wanim and your magic I kakra to mu here time Chelsea coach Mauricio Pochettino I say omu here time. Won't Yaresa and some manager Fanasa Mauricio Pochettino added to Janinano Yabanyanina at the Ama Yet for Anano pay life and some our shows our brano and so I update Abba on Saminano yet the Ami for life and so our show so now my main front two when our process say who run and some our near Fanasa Kudus as well ya one say Kudus Abano on say Abasa Nanka Chelsea promote Chomoho and a Basa Brighton Alpa woman and a was time I said, Cradie, I sound sorry, then other clubs will be a show interest. Our Quadana, your friend Kudus, Mohamed Damu, Emma Santem Comu Botino, Woman Silent K Chelsea, Menoka Safaya, a Newcastle, Arsenal, and I just a Brighton, Omunaba. Now, what's time for you almost say? Well, no one can say Bioma Bekeep will be against Nipanankasa, ne whale. It's a simple Bino. One did about first season, and I just numbers I get crazy. Bino Modiba, I was through an annual Koya. The Hiana oh, Bano, we betray 60 million euros and over. When you excess of 60 million euros about there, and you're gun in your credit funds, so Kudusuno, and so about me about Bayodia. I'm no Casano, and some update, and also about 170, yet the Emma, yet for anano pay, and some. I was short of some bar, Ellen Haaland, Barca, and Real Madrid, and send some of the Shadrach, Mammy, Akatana, your friend Alexis Becker, your boy with your sound familiar, Mebuana, Nina somewhere last year, September. What can I say, Barca, could I order Suhano, Bema Pa, no Fakama? Na yatesa boy bisi akama OGC nisi boynom akwakwagina bridge bisusa wo jana ho afri bridge no so ba hwefom na wowu Shadrach mame bridge no na adan chesa am so mususu sa udi we kwade ehunu ye mame bridge na nkasa me da se pi hwe chesa utum se efri soro and some abeka form now why say the fit no asiti abama etinkam so onuru from kwadanka wa nyame dia Antu komoduru fones and kamsa bana nkabia ye kwakodi na dadwana ne afishia dane sanyo manana a branch di kan turusu ye say na me girlfriend ye friend Carla na ebeto dwasam on Carla enya break up na omusuzu sa ye break up ni mu ana boy na am say wanya komatie wanya broken heart ana okogina ye sa bridges untiamfo bia wo mu twam ana hu no abrantie e na ye de ne munya me ko oh nya mutira be ye no su just enku Bible say ungu yanum ni obanya so jamanya bia manya me na me ko mu just wo mu defa kodayana am say rescuers episode mu a wo mu age boy no from last year September and October November December no the hospital and I'm discharging a massa commander boo boo. Yes, it's Roman. Be near that. Meno Casanam, Yana for hospital. Yes, I'm Oko on one Casano Chrome, Baby and Abusia for our Normandia, Kain Hono, a home and a Bana Quacotana Abusia Fontaine. Now, yes, I'm on a sick leave. Sick leave, no. Your month of a year February, your come March into April, May, and our Quadai Fansa, Alexis, a Becca, and some Abasa resume, so crowd a life away from football. But when I can say, or bet me, I recommend picture Bacono, Aqua Warfare, no, so Massa. I'm saying. Member ya na me de brokia tintimi ncheme wo ware ya na say timi ho na bia banya de enti na batini so bati obi abani to hey ade na ira fara chi ho na bia ne pan nya ne de enti beka obi bibia bi ba kwa no ko ja no ho kunu ho a na me no kase discharge no ensom afri hospital amabusua fie ana sense akoda we ensom atwa so ba recover na ye guso ye campaign man chese man no enkita wudie ana chese owura ye fa no say Daniel Alves at your buy. Then the Akwakosi, Woko Sao Paula, the statue, Yena report on us of Enra. At the burning in Anasam, I'm for me, so say no. Where are a statue at Somaya, our Sao Paulo, Cronimo, Alves, a statue, Yashia paint. Adi agunu so almost say no cry just say sabi na tuni just say no yes ayade say Sao Paulo and some ade no Manchester so cry has and say no but almost say your referee say have say no I mean no kasa no update Alba now should Bellingham after yes want to pain say me catch and was a game against Valencia one ababo now what you room into Champions League match ni nyina no me tesa player your fan should Bellingham and to pain to say woman's game eba so say and we catch on no Real Madrid are optimistic say can be aso akodano and some betimi abo wonim say wa brother ka say Mbappe akwakwhia Emir of Qatar Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani and His Excellency Emmanuel Macron no akofan sampi ebai na adeba kuntia wasa ogitum say boy no eba Madrid and say Qatar for no on say 2 seasons ago wo mu mia mu sa akora no omo ma ne nkone enkochena ampa wanko emo soafe Florentino Perez akofan sampi ebai na Jaminya no say yes say Qatar for no omo botai kese ba ko no say akoda we Obaba aye 2022 World Cup our bra oba sa time obobo our French league ni mo ampa what the France Eco World Cup what call final Satan was in a kind I'm a PSG yes wo munim ne ntia no besa boy no e reach sa target am a Qatari for today they no mo pano waya wie ento mo hira no kosa obetimi akoba bi ono ensom abeso oko na mekaye pass the last time me be catch us enche Real Madrid be start operation Ashraf Hakimi na omo man be say 2 seasons aka ho and na me no kase se wonim sampa yes nkomodi ekoso behind the scenes ni nyina no Mbappe and so requested say anka ekwan da ho a omo fa na damfo no ensom break ama me no kase Real Madrid for no yes almost kan kase ya boy ya kwada ne man ko na nei wodi akwa to PSG ho odi kase kwa ya ticket to odi ne hia ya wie wodi na aka bia no ya be so so ntina me no kase o ya supporter asoma me kan some days ago anom aya Ashraf Hakimi and Madrid and some nyina no say ya so boy no so kokko request and no and so I update aba honsam ya de am for anano pay and some our show nos onum some kasai Ellen Haaland Chesane some Barca agent no Rafael Pimenta Eco Spain and into akosia Barca and agent nyina no bra Ellen Haaland close ebokwanya this season nyame ya adoma sama krana Chesane na sama krano 175 million euros. By no so nyanajes or free club your friend Man City and yenim some one Laporta wa boy no dam say yes almost start a campaign I was Spencer Ebia the next 2 years El Clasico who owns Ebia Chese Kurono who owns Ebia Clasico aye Mbappe and as aye Haaland Chese no aye sit on besa campaign no woman ton El Clasico free nyame ya tuma and you be 2 seasons edi enemy you know san on besa mo ye nyoma amene o kasai woman so start on campaign na sasi kaidie basa for kwa fan way 175 million euros no about day yes from Xavi camp almost say when I catch kyerɛ sɛ ɔsɛ bɛsesa n'adwen oni baabi akɔ deɛ waka no no ano waka ɔnsa medane na no ɛmɛka sɛ ɔtoa so ɛde ama basa bia nie manager no sɛ adwuma no ɔntumi nya biam a ampa adwuma no ɔntumi nya biam ɔnsesa no akyɛ sɛ no ayɛ update ɛba Atletico wɔn project fan sɛ Mario Hermoso report to me nya no sɛ Bonsa wɔn so wɔn pɛ Hermoso ɛnom ababa kakra fi Atletico fa so yɛ ɛnso adeba boy no wɔn so abaso wɔn fan Inter Milan form anopai make one some show say the last 25 matches out of 26 Serie A Inter fa win and watch it top 5 leagues Inter woman say 67 goals 6-7 woman conceded 12 now manager no onsen and say discuss say Barca for so munya Simone Inzaghi omo pay now omo busa coach no eno say yes teams no bi e Europe omo so omo pay na omo mo pon no kra no obekọ and was say ono what da so eye adwuma ema Inter enya okwa na adwen wo no so now the teams omo pay enya krom ha omo outside Italy obekọ was what what can be so pa? I'm on fortress. I and away penom and away penonim or can be. No, and yeah, there's all the attention, and some other courses. See, I mean, no, and I can say, I mean, no, I update no pay the other catch us. Victor Simefraf come by. So say, I have 5 goals in 3 matches. The Laurentians, yes, what 12 man over free 2 hours. Great. I say, and then I say, oh, such as for Baba, Asna for Baba, someone you grab was pay. Yes, Famada, I could now new Roman Massa. Oh, yes, only had that kind of necessity home. One child. Ninja your former Victor Simanafe. Hey, I never saw you on the free 150. I wonder, Obo can run do. Watch a go at your boss. If you have come by 5 goals in 3 matches. Now, from the 2 to see how was more for the Hongo so. It will run in the I'm so one day. What to take and free charity their voice, and it's in your so abundant sound when you are travel. As I said, no, some I can't free more. And by your brother, Quadamum, Yentia LeBron James, quick, and I'll pay. Make a choice, Ahumachi, and you know, and can Lakers Eluzunomu truly by 21 points against Clippers. Omo fie, womo bounce back up a try. LeBron and then 34 points. Yenche James.
Yeah, I do what I gotta do. I'm in a lineup. If I'm on the floor, gotta make plays. Sometimes I got to make even more plays, and tonight was one of those moments where I had to make even more plays in order for us to even get back into the game and then ultimately winning the game. So, we obviously, every game is important.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gye ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha baby a womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 0544 444 53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
clean water tanks. Water, which is rich with natural minerals, sourced from over 100 meters underground, is taken through purification, where our highly skilled personnel, equipped with the modern state-of-the-art laboratory, run all standard tests to ensure that purity is 100%. Because at Obibini Blackman Company Limited, quality is our hallmark. Bottling continues immediately in a clean and hygienic environment approved by the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority, because water is life, but unclean water is definitely not life. After years of research into water purification systems, the result is water that can compete with any other on the international market. Stay healthy and hydrated with the new Zet Natural Mineral Water.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet. In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Partial Daily Jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway. So wallpapers, papa OP wallpapers, and American for amount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee man wallpapers ebe match blind curtains. Eba no bedside lamps nso a OP MR types or man shapes. Colors a wodo no nyina. Ubenya bi ato e na so ye ho. Se open LED backlight e dey above flash screen achi a. Eno so OP ebe ma obi. So open selfie ring lights. Out do phone behim. Eye OP wallpapers and ebe ma selfie ring lights. OP e wo Kumasi Adum. First floor. Nana Kwesi Ajman building na mu. Ebe Hello FM. Tafo GNTC building first floor. Ana or barrier on the market and edian share. So open wholesale and answer retail. Any OP any in South for OP our 0540 353750.
Mini aketienti usumwa sumyo abuna bema wanya keteapa ewa sasiso ibiasimu basum
sa 1 year no emma omunya de efe na below market value deal.
I mean, I've always said this Chelsea will not win anything really. Maybe after 4 or 5 years. The project where you come into a league where there are established clubs with quality managers and capital investment. So and a walk in a park thing. And Duzu Benkola, you are building for the future. The time will come when you can sustain success over a period of time because age is not right. But you need a good manager to do that. So, Mamu father say, because you bought young players, so now it will take time. Experience is very important. Salos are good, bitter experiences together. And then when the right time comes, they will use this experience and turn it and translate it into success. Listen, it will take you time, feelings, but feelings, then you now can experience you gain. And then the lessons you learn, and then you also get the kind of manager when over that period. I'll be make the jogging club experience with Liverpool. The kind of manager you have who understand what must be done, the right place. They play it on boom. No, sometimes 2-3 players for specific areas over a period of time. Just a home be here answer. Wouldn't be a problem about you just block it. That's how you build a team with a manager who understands the players and more the system. Every my team not thriving, looking at competitors already competing.
Now, me listening with Manchester United and be determine whoever will want to win the league in this particular season. I'm saying this. Manchester United interest any top 4 pay. Manchester United interest who wins the league too, because the factors not to the they are more interested in whoever wins the league.
Okay,
because there is pride, there is integrity at stake for anyone to pick it up. But already listening to this one, Nipa ko easy run power listening by Liverpool. Already Liverpool listening more, Nottingham Forest, Manchester City, Everton, Brighton. Manchester City will list anymore. Minimum Manchester City football. But Liverpool have always proven
Sompa full time. Live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa 93.1 FM, and I feel live on Facebook and also Sompa 93.1 FM. Yababe Dimkomo, Bishop Atapoku Afei, Kumiameza, and Michael Asarebodu, Betanasena, Yedi Diakano, Edi Asoso, Ediamanimum, Mamo Juma, Amamaye, Moamoye nurse for Nemoye, midwives, Amobesamo Tuamo, Jumano, so Canada, Mobesamo Tuas, UK, and I say US, Jumano, a boo, Abomodian Sobehu Express Group, Omo and a better church or choir, Obe Fasuna, Yadobe Konko, DHMOB, and Kwajusi Ken Intimisro, Express Group, Omone Brow, Amachas and Nesno, Ayotono, when you're a kama, a fair requirement, midwife, Ubehian Sana, when you're Jumaya, UK, Canada, and US, and Yano, Express Group and Penifono, and Omodo Fem, said a bear on Breho, a fair school for no Maria Senior High, and I say, what does so it was senior high anymore, what was so called University, our man, where a scholarship, where we are University, our Ghana, what was your masters, and so our man, and also a scholarship, our bra, also Unkoboka, Ninano, a Express Group, and so a boa ticketing, and a visa and send some now for Monson Besamutu Quine, sell Mokoto, and a simple Mukodi holidays, baby, New Zealand, Germany, Nom, a face US, Australia, and in Crack, and Ninano, Express Group, I say, Yan Canchos a break. When we Juma Ewa Safo runabout, Labor Hall, I honor Chessa on Sa Ebecom, a faint cry. I Carnation First Light, or Tamansoa, I Community 18 Lashibi, Goy Filling Station 1 at Chessa on Sa Ebeka, one no my fatal crack, a market circle, and a hot and nesto, fast food, the D and Sunyane, a silver house or bank, a building Nemo, and also Ben Cortono, Tamalin so on Sabekan Anafi, Bianinsono, or Ben Cortono, Fred 0249 000448 0249 000448 and I say 0555 550067 0555 550067 not just I want an Express Group and Penfono and so Kasana woman some way now Ghana Herbs and Therapeutics Omo and a Ghana Man capsules Abejaso woman on the dos and a Jame Bon Daru area chono a Ghana Man capsules another a drawback Makachos or bar Etiminum and a Berman so Timinumbi and tis Unya Ghana Man capsules Nubi Ababo. I'm a mojetimia dear Fusani and no any friends a blood circulation a fee a banner sebia pa hoden and HS and Hodimapa. I Ghana Man capsules and a dema a boam or bow libido. I work from Apija where your Berman so libido some else our former and also a Brahma Newman Swako Kama Amau. Or more dear dread finance a prostate joy capsules Ababua. I'm a Berma wabo who buy a free a prostate and large and I say prostate nyadwani nyina ho and you can so train emayekes ansana wape adrone binti pebi ne ameka say na ehyasia no ebeboa na afei won so abo prostate and so buy adre friend says save 500 capsules save 500 you know a immune booster adru a boost immune system ema ho dem apabane pedua ne mu e basa ya de ntimi metena so say ye cancer na say infections afei a UTI and as STIs no and wa kwakwanya bi pressure ba na simple a diabetes and you know as I say 500 and no and a babuao and I feel crap to 400 malaria drota tashe malaria hunane jane fever you know ebeko and no I crap to 400 fre 0244 7543 0244 754380 and I say 0244 727028 0244 727028 not just on the Ghana Herbs and Penfono and Casa and Suono a kangen and not just drinking water say doctors in the cannot say we are them say about swabo pay a yan elmo kwane use water that yanu be said the auto go drew fiani na ochobako can say is one send your fiat anymore and in so the in so your many pedua and so when you so can when you're trying to crowd you okay and in so no man share none papa say dem say woman to galana they say is when you miss now kwaya wa den say wo baba nu so bia keke yanum super aya kangen and not just drinking water no yes our program BRC wo bia no so na mumini na kwatim sampa wanu nsuo na magnesium no and just calcium afei potassium and iron nature said yakani nyinano ahyemuma eboa woni praduama akoma ne pompimo jane ye eboa ne praduama yamutim constipation ebasa wo yam ebubom rough otikama fare enko a numunso na asora no pa watimi ayo huye manim gwase ema wakwanmu protect wakoma ebo liver ne kidney ho ban enti ope kanjen water ne biato a ya momodi anso obekọ Bremen UGC and I said Tafuni Road and I say Abawa Ruth almost junction so 0241 449191 0241 449191 and I said 0507 379474 0507 379474 na chese woni eye kanjen and I just drinking water and pen for no and so and kasame baby dwa for no so mom mamenya birthday for real quick nafi ba kumi no pebi yamra so sisie we say happy birthday to Dr. Vida Abu where from Portia ese orweshe Dr. Vida Abu happy birthday we birthday blessings I was say ba won chen I was say birthday edine papi and so ebro wakoma so ade ne de ohwe ne nyina no nyame anyama omanyo so anya kama and so famantia no Vida and so ade afei nurse the other band was say happy birthday to Millicent Bafo Ewa madam o tra de aya chaperon fashion ya madam our chaperon fashion catering and deco Kumas airport runabout also pebble krum kwanos way aya from Ofake amo chese in-law and nunti madam and I would day I would dapa and I chese yesterday and so a German shre wo biano nyame and so fano monafi omanioma and so anya fine and so from a shark radium se picking cow now super and then the wife Mrs. Bennett so chirichie aya administrator Kumasi DVL is saying Omoba Gerard Amo Chirichi and Awoda Gerard from Papa and Mami say Omo Emma Awoda Pa Yamenyo Kase from Union Kuma Kayu Jene Free Yabuan Alvin Jacinto ne Fancy Maria Junior Nano and Sonia Ba Ayafra Kuma say Yare show happy birthday Nina Penipa Nema Popi and means so enya was so emphasonti no one samanye yes na meza say on where dear
Nyamia Domahini experience Fancy Maria so where there
kakra egu so eja be dey adum Mike say bibia fine
yeah Fancy Nyame adum bibia come
e dey me Sompa sports da be ne
enu na abasi na no penya wo se serious draw ani sa
basi boy
there's all the cause I want to say kwa na woka enu a woka ba me catch you say yen kan radio and na wo sa be kan ba me say catch you
me say ba oye bati boy
vasa
Batty boy.
Then we
we not speak patois. Oh, Batty boy. Bombo clad.
Hey. Now you the microphone.
You
I don't pass my me.
Somebody got catch us on the case with that was what you want. Mama have okra fancy. Case ready everything.
Why you talk rock and you overskin what you say?
Me understand. Me fi understand. Me understand. Viatian.
Me hear no sin.
Ya Viatian.
Tayo for the max.
Batty boy.
Let me hear one of my brethren.
Fancy. Let me say Chelsea union. Ni say ya na mu no mu de tifi aro.
Mamu me kan say onye Chelsea ni me slow pa. E me kan say mfa ne mfra. And why you post to line up crab head watch all and take the
so. Was he nyano? Nyano.
Was he a team ginger? I'm so okay.
Fancy, a very good morning to your listeners, near viewers, or more enjoy our Sompa 93.1 FM and our pace also share our Sompa TV. Now, your best chance here, the free air Chelsea, I swear. Now, you didn't come on ma. Not your barber shirt, new Mabakum, you know me and say the perception and the reality when it comes to a coach, a friend Mauricio Pochettino. Now, the biggest issue are also around Chelsea supporters in context, the perception that they have. That one way or the other, Mauricio Pochettino cannot be the man for the future. Oh, bet me aboma Chelsea etimi fan into my party efra. Ebi ade kodi omugina so edi nyo omu perception ne se ontimi nya for the future no ne di omudi omani hu any statistics be da ho. Because we check Mauricio Pochettino or average 1.65 points per game, which is clearly above average. And it is not encouraging. The past Chelsea managers are who say Asaki the lowest the lowest points per game was a coach your friend Graham Potter. No, only average 1.45. But let's not forget, say, on only ball lesser matches than what Mauricio Pochettino ayede abo. It will be because say, oh, ejina we say suntino. Let me say, coach, you create an acquire crack kamepe. But fancy, yen analyzing this particular situation, yen tia DBS who has CCA. You look at Mauricio Pochettino on the before team no, or buying most of the players and at home the other team no was not on any signings. And I don't want to keep you 2 years or more experience with my body team around them. Nothing new so more come on my day. Echo. I feel on about when you're the first major transfer window be a what 2 players back home in video my day. Abba. You look at the ages of these players, the level of experience of these players. Anyhow, I will expect so much more pick up in terms of adaptation and also to me about Tremano in that particular aspect. And when we be painting a boasrewa or any baby I go in Yato chain fancy. Yeah. I dear Mauricio Pochettino the Tottenham Hotspur team be a brave man in Merason Fanya Juma. We saw him a broke PMO Spain. I know coaching the likes of Espanyol Mobile. You look at the performance that he put up in that particular country, and the results on ya. I want to see it to me come once a year. Then over how will handle Messi mo, any Mbappe mo, any these kind of players for Paris Saint-Germain in the long run. No be any say coach Paris Saint-Germain for Musa Luis Enrique. He has proven himself not as Obia or the trophies bebre, but will proving himself to be a coach or building teams do a certain standard there. A man CV so an enyoma team here de ekoye. Enyoma mienu. Clubs can make coaches and coaches can make clubs. You find Jurgen Klopp on final example. Jurgen Klopp at Borussia Dortmund. When the bet me don't say work at us and build a team. Yeah. Or build a solid team. You will players of course some PMO team and more prizes for Robert Lewandowski. You will the likes of Simon. I'll be that particular team. The kind of performance we put in there. But we copy more Champions League. Sompa final. Echo boy. Mario Götze.
Lucas Piszek Munina womno.
So you look at team no parody in Bibiana. Don't want for one Champions League. You may win the league, but when you say Germany Bundesliga and a 2-horse race. Now say the movie kakra. But say what day Borussia Dortmund be more Champions League fan and went to me and fan in Bayern Munich show. Everyone say what try? You've done your best. So e be Mauricio Pochettino Tottenham Hotspur akọbọ Champions League final Liverpool akọkọhye no ye hu so real more Paris Saint-Germain we team akọbọ no mo de age league ni bi ni nyina gu onom de but he needs a club to lift him up and I believe say on Chelsea yen sakona nsaba. He built the team. Chelsea offers him the platform because of the history of the club in order to win something. Said on Yama Mauricio Sarri no. Now anyoma ba kwa esa kan bi am mu ni say mo ma ne mre any say already this season we won the EFL Cup final. To be very honest, that final no who blame Mauricio Pochettino, you are not being fair to him. Okay. Number 2, he has also qualified the team for the FA Cup quarterfinal. And the baby on there's a likelihood that 80% chance that Chelsea will play in the semi-final of the FA Cup. How many coaches in the England are 2 domestic trophies? Omutimi drew the level of Mauricio Pochettino drew.
The first season.
So Emre Chelsea players no need coaches in any obi o won chen bia munya abotre. It will come timunya abotre. Fancy na no ayebo game ni nyina no player ba ko kache me ai pa ya Branty we achi great
on a German of the match.
And Fancy solid defensive midfielder 17 years old. Now let me say other clubs and Gigi no so metima fa na dia ba Manchester United kan bi say omunya akoda we no mo di ne beji no mo fisi on ma obetima bo no mo de but on arrived for the top stage now and Fancy we player qualities no ho but I sign it by unless say who coach be obetima improving in various aspects. Obibeka Charles say o check Achigre in scouting report from FBref. Now over the last 365 days ade a wo hia full defensive midfielder ho e kwa obefa so obetako obetimi maneuver the way out of pressure. That means you pressing na ko obefa so maneuver the way appear film. Then number 3 or maneuver the way need the film part. The next one passes completion. So oya FBref no ma gu your screen you so ase ya san your man mensa ni nyina na brand ne de wo so o check percentile na. Now you look at the tackles agina 71 or average 2.36 tackle success rate per every single 90 minutes. Okay, solid. Top defensive midfielders we are seeing now was had these particular numbers. Then what about behind the successful take-ons or average 1.13 per every single 90 minutes. It is our team one now grown now pressing obey you of him. And only jina percentile jina 76. Then the passes completion 82.8% per every single 90 minutes. Jina 91 per percentile no. So it means say enyoma miensa e betimi ama na ye a good defensive midfielder, a top defensive midfielder ni jina evident in the statistics in the last 365 days as a 17-year-old. But nyoma keka wa so timi build akola no. Ebe jina ni interceptions, the blocks, clearances, area duels because defensive midfielder ya bobo na the time ya ozo timi wuri na timi pimbi hwe Casemiro mo ya pimbo na obeba be pimbi ya kwa ni mu kra na se ya cross be ozo timi wuri na timi yedai upimbi. So this is a kid which I believe that the basics no unlucky as a defensive midfielder. But I say oh sign the number be show team one na woni da so betimi di na ye bibia unless you should be ready to improve some of the defensive capabilities no say be anoma betima akoye, especially even looking at when the team is in possession, the progressive passes. Percentile region 54 or form progressive carries. Also, midfielders they say the album years so team form one also team the two me can movie ball be 30 meters and at 30 years be not team the ball movie ko wadim kakra. No J pass in me team create chance. Ni na was so yen ho adwuma. So I believe he had a solid game yesterday. At his age, you know, any level no start for bridge in the fancy, you give him thumbs up. Obebo na baso be pejane de na kosoro ba meji to me say obi obenya ne bia no obi ni here I think Leeds United might be producing another player but not set in the future bet say Calvin Phillips there no but he could make a huge impact in English football and at the end of the day no on betimi nya so mfa so na eno na me sabu nkompoko he mechi na me hwe Brighton and Hove Albion Wolves kakra. And the big question also comes in again, Ansu Fati, what is happening? Why na Abrante dey na hano? Because free injury by the first start on your and moving from positions to be about level, no move for force 9. No Bobby. But the Ansu Fati we knew at Barcelona. And the level of performance or dying they do at Barcelona, no? Especially in the 2022-2023 season. Fancy. You relish saying ka England ne deserve it there. Ka the opportunity mo be. But me to me say enyoma mienu pa na amo Abrante wona ne career. Dey di kan injury. Injury hanepa kotodwe ne nye ugbo ma na akwakọ ebi fufo. But another thing na me to me pass a hand Abrante there, the choice of giving him the number 10 jersey.
Number 10
fancy na sododo emane dream bro nyoma bebre so psychologically emano who bro nyoma bebre so because he was not there yet but he was no a quality potential. You just be one my fancy the shower and you made their swan kakodwa someone can just say number 10 jersey na nyoma bi ni nam na ni so ana osako ro jersey ni here dey e dey go. There are certain jerseys are all the more be waham. Nipa no sunsumu nya what so.
Sompa Sports.
Ask yourself, say the na Manchester United number 7 jersey Antonio Valencia dey ahun pepere mu nyina ko yito. Untimi hye. Memphis Depay, ye wunioma na oye wo PSV no dey be PM Manchester United. E dey no ba afi no oye biem. Fancy.
Ana mo dey 7 ma Messi ma.
And dey say, ono so dey toto no. Enti there are certain jersey numbers are the mawa usunsumu nya den a fancy ebebu afa so and I believe say these two things are tete Ansu Fati yepa and compare the 2022-2023 to now I think it's a fancy adwuma ho and I'm hearing din I'm saying no this is not the Ansu Fati I knew and this is a player within the last 365 days. These are his numbers, especially most of them was achieved Abraham Moore FC Barcelona. And during 2022-2023 be remo afi we more it's exactly like 365 days. And the numbers. Oba Brighton and Hove Albion no kan na nyoma bebre so ate non-penalty goals, non-penalty XG, shots total, assist as expected assisted goals, NPXG plus way, shot creating actions, passes completion, over the touches, over progressive passes. Fancy. I think Ansu Fati or maybe obebi no same pimbra because Emma Barcelona for na say lusu hope say I say ahana ankwanko yeyi afamba na fancy mama mo Jurgen Klopp abaso na no pay na emi say medical can asem about no be come for so build teams but I think say he's making value of Liverpool academy in terms of young talents or the omba be pim Jadon Benya 2 goals there. me person magina omo awa yi omo pie na nsen ya no so akoka se but ye bu nkompo ko echi a fancy we've seen the progress of players like Alexander Trent-Arnold. You know the progress of Curtis Jones.
Yeah.
Kelleher, I don't know that goal post more. So you've seen a lot of players come through, even Nathan Phillips. You've seen top players come out of that particular stage of my bar. So Liverpool crampo and you saw crampo. And these are players in the long run. They decided games in Liverpool. And I didn't mean Yanni say Oja Hono Makono. He say new person or modern neighbor, new coach or modern neighbor, or no be accepted the fact. So be you soon kurana. Also coach be Jahonum say I won't tell say go next coach in the pressure now so. Well raise the standard Lydia Drew baby level na Drew baby a. And also ba ultimately meeting the expectations of the supporters. So the moment ebi ono never try you soon kurana be fa. But who players go pra now ko you soon kurana anko ya. There will be pressure on you. It's no man there training if Liverpool are willing to do a new project, Xabi Alonso I believe it is something that needs to continue, but all continue so now I am very careful when combining it with the level of resources. It's fancy. Jurgen Klopp has done a massive job in making sure say Liverpool academy ni pie ni nyina no obomo an opportunity for the senior team. Na mo ba so a omo munani ase omo yire omo na omo abo na ne omo atimi akoyi e de amomo. Na fancy me say free and run adwene ba ni nyina no ye bo Osimhen din ni abolo Taro Martinez din. De betom no kra na say Gerard Romero akwa no T Spain wono akoka Haaland pasa akoka Haaland asem de aba. Now in the transfer market this particular time around, I think all the attention will be on when and fancy. Yeah, man, akonya amana babesi akan e de amana so babesi akan abo amana no makoye de amana me pese analyze adibi kakra bi wo ha say fancy ne hwe ade. Ye hwe top strikers bi kakra bi adwuma bi wo ha say. Omo me ensa die. Se ka se tiska 120 million pounds ko fo obi a. When anadu sika ba ko fa no. Oye Barca. We Chelsea. We Manchester United. Strikers me say good screen so why ana fancy. Who two sika akwakofan in this particular stand. We Lautaro Martinez, Victor Osimhen, and Erling Haaland. Opta performance index, Victor Osimhen bro mu so. But enough football have grown to a certain stage that unyanso striker be goals nko. You need him involved. You need him to be playing at the best. You need him to recover. You need him to do a lot and make sure say at the end of the day, on sabeti make our results out here. Even if so go. Now, fancy it looks like Lautaro Martinez will give you a complete striking role. But ever go check. Any you maybe I obey here say striker side say ebia or tackle or banecha babe you maybe no betimi ejina ball so ajeje dem. I hold you on to player. Victor Osimhen comes in that particular area. But fancy, me just to be say Lautaro Martinez, 120 million pounds be a kafana kofana ne fana money kofana bra because ohe Barcelona and Erling Haaland asem. Okay. Barcelona style of playing Erling Haaland asem. Na fancy, let me say akwana wenya broken heart ne de. Alexis Becca na unya bi da won ti ase
booking at na na unya bi ko gina bridge so say sa bridge na bi ni how me nim ba bi wo and I will find boy we u drama my guess we here na o bi bi e born ball on sika she Becca
and fancy me hwe boy ni din
oni wanna be aso
come fan boy hwe wo fe hwe wo si but see fancy unhia o ba bi a Sebi, why you be ma wa adwin nyina ko achi da
oh masa ne nyina na ewiase afefe
ni ewiase afefe de ba fancy when your baby pa manage wo brad dem bi or the eyes bi atoto nanum
ege nko a
I said you ma bi
da
amwani so abriwa
oh masa
na wo dem bi ato me
ha me wo dey so mo ba kuta na shoot
body form na me dwa ko share fa
so no more there
na and you may see the coin no so that particular action on the more serious note and you may see the coin no every say kasa America kameka rishma kontombre
Kafra.
Ah? Kameka rich me kontomre.
Obu man broken heart ban no fan passport. No akwetena Canada. Ba de end e ba akwetena body mu.
Fancy. Now we cry they say the try wakojina bridge so. But I feel happy for him. Fancy the psychological aspect of this.
Last year, in December, I was saying, "Okona busia for fear or
muda." I'm say, "Odi enya mana."
Oh, I'm saying, "See, penny."
Yo, tira hoy.
Mike into
Fancy, you see, sir, odasem. You see, Lumba wonyum bi oto so odone de ne ho akodi.
Some passports.
Nti aya eba situation say de ne ho akodi more. Even say we invest more. And yenti investment na make one, it is not just related to money. It was time, dedication, feelings, emotions. The way investing more no ono na ya osafa pa. Ana ye wo obi a usiana eto wakoma so. Sa nipa ni free abrabo ma tokro kese pa ba beda wa abrabo. So clearly the abrantie way fame no. Obi a ntena say batono nko a. Obe won chen fine boy no ho afa na denjimie na wo ye no. Wo fefe wo ska obenye bi. But sa opa na bia we free na abrabo mu no. Bi obi onkosi obi foforo de. But at that moment the freeness no. The free ni mu any de we lose no. Ohun ne say e bro the owo ho sisie na o ye no. So he sees himself as nothing. So odo any de ne ho akodim. Akomia de say so onko America. About to akuma and them sure so ko fa sa ba ni begina ho now catch akomia say on make choice exactly but at that stage in his life any baby no ne abaiwa na kwa kodu no
tibode no twa bi ko no ana
chairman atone visa ne passport atwini baby okọ USA
sir
enya agro na media o
and you broke heart na ka na mkoma okọ US
oso onko baby obi enja no and I'm sure so present your opportunity no manner. He will not skip it. But odomu asem and odomu asem no you see. Odo to me mani peji. Odo mani peji mia. Part of these things and that's a sad story. But Branton the infamous suade. And you see, I always say this. Daniel versus so Nidiana Abanesai. Your encounter with a woman ebe determine whether you will make it or you will not make it in life. Or baby I'll be shiani biane kwanya wone ne fasi edujuma. Well, Daniel Alves from hero to zero.
Yeah.
And the start you will see a crowd no free so ya called share paint a goose was saying no cry. That aside, Barcelona say ni dear war more legend list nim no o me freezy or no ni dino.
And to almost sounded by after a series of talks. Almost sounded by
120 legends of Barca. Daniel Alves here the asterisk at home fancy. The America Kosiane say Obano Sebe wakoye sa Sasase ne ye papa na wo de eye abano ehemu a asase ne be free ama so abade ama sasase ne nye papa na wo de abane hemu a emfree ade a ebegu ani mase. Whatever you give a woman you receive in multiple folds. Enti de wudua wo ba ni mu no say positive outcome no you get multiple positive outcomes. Say negative so a and their troubles no ebeba no mo. And let us learn from this. How best we can treat our women and how best we can also look at this option of the encounters with a man. A woman is not just a human being. A woman, a fertile land that will reap bountiful harvest for you if only you go about your duties well as a top farmer. Now, Liverpool, Liverpool are on the verge of appointing two crucial positions. The next phase of the club, or future. Club, but they will not just make a managerial appointment. They are also looking for a sporting director. Per the club, be appointed a sporting director. By early March, no money be. So money be they will still push. Now when you're sporting director now, no about constructing the technical infrastructure of the club. I can't say the coach and the manager and then the backroom staff. No money jumano. Now quite more facility jumano fancy fascinating. a purely data-driven exercise. Ness omode numbers, omode scouting, omode several moments of research, and neke kabomwa omoyi the ideal candidate. So any sentiment. Again, Mekebion, data-driven exercise, DDE, in Liverpool. Yeah. So my Gordon, the president of Fenway Sports Group, I'm in Liverpool near Omodia. Now my Gordon, Tonsa, the Frere, Omoankasa within their team, Will Spearman, my Gordon, he has been with the Fenway Sports Group since 2001. And to know my Juma, he's a partner, and now he's a president of the group.
Okay.
And to Otesen Omusidi Omujuma say. Sebe yesi okoto onwanoma eni so wo Fenway Sports Group nimu na ekwan omo fase di omudwuma ne sa akwanya beto so omo fu bi aba the same method na no be faso. Now Gordon Frere Will Spearman ye Liverpool mo head or director of research okita PhD in physics from the Harvard University. Obi oye physics the nka football the fan ho ben, but he has used the osuan to better the field. And he's one of the best in terms of research. Sports, particularly football. Now, Will Spearman at Nase, then they decided to use data on options be available. Romuso Roberto deserve no mfete profile no open. Ntiele won say deserve wa be almost say akwa no or down or listening so Eddie how di by or mototwini baby. Said they are looking at options that are far better. Now they set these parameters. 1. Kwan ya omo be faso a eye uye new coach na oba obe yusu Liverpool omo current squad na yusu ne yie e de nya eye results a wo pe. 2 o style of play and afa character references na ese ye hwe wa usu enesen usu ban no ene club ne de no ese and our style of play ne so ene club ne de hwe no ese. Enti ebia wo ye coach a wo ya ade ba obo na wo bo no ene ye de ne boy branch e ko fa ba ha adwen. They considered this. Then achievement ne trophies achieved. Then even over achievement the wetimi aye e wo coaching career mu ability say obetimi exceed the objectives I set the amount. And then another one, you develop young talent. Fancy almost kika bom ye bibia no edin e bedi first Ruben Amorim.
Yeah.
Not Xabi Alonso. Ruben Amorim. And Ruben Amorim be feature through because 1, Alonso no looking more of a front runner because of the Liverpool appeal. Wabo Liverpool neda they only buy Leverkusen your recency basis and a clause a woman say it will be financially favorable. So omokono mo go negotiate for an exeter and ya de ometu sika bebre. But Ruben Amorim experience near say data no omo kika bom no underscore the highest mark and he ranks top. Aside that, almost omo hwe opinion dwumedie any scout no maya or use sports science or training. The training no fan say akomia ye me ade ne huye me hinti and the mafia opa. Strictly sports science. He has no favorite. Oye adwuma no data ni ba say wo ye adwuma ni ya wo ane ne wo ko. And that is clearly what Ruben Amorim does. And that is Agdia Liverpool for near wo mo AXA center ho. Tina be ya see akofa neuron dia and near their title players niti no more here. They use sports science to train their players. Into their coach where you were Portugal no and Liverpool practices no more no ne kwan so anesa. Aside that, so when you sound so embraces a player, so bet me about born and waboni ya your physiological state and your dream and your physical state. Now these are two things Liverpool do not also underestimate. What drain was all born was a mudao, but of physicality so I was say a top notch. We no ensuti jumasa. Until on Pablo Barrera. Barrera is a former Arsenal physio or sounds a former Liverpool or more staff. Why you jumada? Ewo hoda into munimno. Then that aside, or a lecturer or sounds preventive day about player or health and no physical aspect. Or a lecturer or PhD. So they omujidi say somebody way ne bana Barrera ne kind of one. Then it will be a continuation of practices as a stay even under club. The only difference is a personnel ne be change in terms of names, but practice no but there are stumbling blocks here, and the stumbling block no back when you win a buyout clause.
Okay,
as what here about 10 million euros.
Amorim dear.
Good. Liverpool to say Barcelona, but it doesn't mean they will spend anyhow. And then 2, so mo ko tia 10 million na e kofa obi a onye adwuma outside Portugal da. He is young. Of 50 profile, no, Liverpool want a young manager. Where Alonso Yin is saying, when he was 39 years. But Omojidi say Omo de ba. He will do a good job. But question mark ne say, is he worth the 10 million buyout clause na yeko, especially based on non-exposure outside Portugal? And the options Omo consider Nagelsmann din so abem. And Nagelsmann, he also takes many of their boxes. And also question marks, baby, Germany, Jumana, or said Germany, say, na and a time bang. Germany will play the Euros. So, maybe mid-July, no, I available. But that time, now Liverpool, so new manager, no cry, no man and start Juma. So it will be a very strenuous process. But me can be. Liverpool said they will prefer to appoint a sporting director first, and so no lead the process to appoint a coach. And Mike Edwards Diabem said, "Yeah, okay, Edwards is in the picture. He's not giving Liverpool the okay, so back, but he's in the picture, and they are contemplating. So a crucial few months for Liverpool, and a crucial because it will define their future and determine what happens next. Away from there, Victor Osimhen, the time not to say was okay. The time to leave Napoli now.
Someone the idea on Bejano.
Bibi also prove it. Maradona go milestone watra anameboa. Or the homage Scudetto, the first player to do that since Maradona left. Kvaratskhelia then now in the shenanigans. Osimhen na no mon person bebona baso. But if you are looking for the best player for Napoli last 3 seasons, Obieni ho bro so. But I mean nim ekwanya omo faso yo omoju medie no Italy ho. But he's undoubtedly Napoli's best player. Our pitch is only pitch is also the American. He's the spirit of the team.
Maybe because we had players in now can clearly say missing the power.
Exactly. He's the spirit of the team. So Victor Osimhen and but you say a baby be one so. When in a career ne baby Adriano, I feel no better peak levels. Napoli in the current situation, no want me finding do peak levels. So he needs to go to a platform. A bet pejane they accord the next stage. So next stage is when you're Chelsea. I'm telling you. Oh, Chelsea will not take this guy to the next stage. Yeah, catch Chelsea now. The 3 more na Chelsea. The current Chelsea now is a mid-table Chelsea team. And your top team. And the Chelsea will not send this guy anywhere. The only baby didn't require any finances. Sikane the obeje pa. But in terms of football, no, because this guy needs a win now project. The ebe winning CCA. How old is he? Checking and saying the injury records near there. Into a nya project okoshemu pe pa na faneko. Kabasa for Wusika. No money on the year. They just snap him. They get a world beater. And character they get this guy, he takes them to the next level. Me semi Victor Osimhen and Toraja. Me two more for say or Monjai Chelsea again. They even weaken his mentality. Lukaku was on top form. Ewo Italy. Oba Chelsea, they killed his confidence. Victor Osimhen, Eba Chelsea. The mentality of Omo team. You see, everything is leadership. Make Liverpool data. It is being driven by their leadership. My God, they need to football and I say, Sebe, Yenny or Modi or Chelsea team no. It will take them some time. They ever take you more time. And so Koya Chelsea fast yen and your mano. To me, Osimhen or Droba narrative not effete. But a mreno de bano and yet the right time. And he might make a move that will be financially beneficial, but sporting wise, very frustrating. M1 and Madi or Pesoniano, or also inside to Minka.
Your name be one more.
Born and Casa on camera.
Yeah,
I appreciated Victor Osimhen more.
Yeah. No, but Tiao, only teammate now. Boys, your mobile Chelsea, Jomi. Or bet Tiao Cram when you are bro. Omre. We are center back now in the bar. And this one in the Contokwa. Omre. Way of Fetia Bobia, 130 million Munchian Famano. 120, 130 Munchian Famano. Omuntia from man simple cry. Yeah, and Mbappe ko Madrid na ko cement
almost a PSG so pay.
A PSG DNA say Mbappe now more prefer Leao no more because or a creator scorer. Was when you typical scorer. As na Colomwani Mone Gonzalo Ramos ejuma no se be yakwa koye cost 90. Nti ankasna nkeye ba omo team ni dina yes.
Wo Mache Mike many delights for enwi na fi yam braso na yam to so opening say bibia fine
erade adom fancy bibia boko
delight agency so sister adwuma na
Nyankopon adom adwuma no ekoso pa na enenso enkomo stronko a yeri free delight agency ahweye ebre ye ohwefo ene watiefo ene say office no egusua e wo hono mo.
That's right.
Say o hweme sisia na opese wo ko Canada anase opese wo ko US dia ene tie enkomoboyi na fa number we 0535 58 61 31 0535 58 61 31 Fancy eboa edaso no 100,000 Ghana cedis. Basa wo 20% a 20,000 Ghana cedis dia. O qualify say obefa form e wo Delight Agency Limited a share e wo Atonsu Monaco Junction na enhye wo honie. We no work and pay. Enti say ofa form no na utimi tua 20% na ye de ukọ ekodru US abonten anase Canada abonten obakoye adwuma na watu eska no enkakrakra we no yebema work permit enye se wokoye adwuma amna kogu obi accounts mu wankasa wa accounts mu na wokoye adwuma no amasika na ababegum accommodation enso eka ho enti se US anase Canada na opese wokode a me kanfo Delight Agency Limited asweye edema pusu enhumano sesia e was 0535
58
61 31 0535 58
that's right
61 31 fancy obia hoden entimi so betua 20,000 but opese okọ Denmark ekoye adwuma Nyankopon ayadom group bi a omoye chocolate ehun adwuma ye from Tom's group ede akwanya aba so omo pe ma ne mema omo husisi omo so omo timi beye adwuma se wo 18 to 50 years no o qualify eno so ye work and pay na we no enhye ni nie we the company na nkasa a omo wo Denmark no me kire Copenhagen eno omo ba be fawo ede wako enti ade a obeya ne se o medical fee any form fee ena obetua enti wo pusu ye ho ma na wo ba ya so ya e ka obebo aye form ho fee any medical fee o tua sade we wi a o qualify say ye do ko Denmark na on Tom's group chocolate ho adwuma eno mo ye no oni omo ekokoye adwuma sanso na Maresi milk enso Austria Salzburg omo so ye milk company omo Delight Agency Limited ato kese a omo so pe nipa ede o makọ Austria Salzburg akwakoye adwuma offer we so se woni gye ho a ade a obeya ne se obepusu ye nhoma anase obeba ya soye ewo Atonsu Monaco Junction
yes
na wabefa form eka obebo aye o medical fee any form fee se utimi ye sade we a o qualify se ye do tu kwan eko Austria enti misraw pusu enhoma sesia 0535 58 61 31 0535 58 61 31 fancy sesia no bi tie radio no sesia no bi tena TV no no watese ye kan US and Canada ho ase sika botting da so 100,000 Ghana cedis me say
1 billion
1 billion timi talk papa timi talk
share
but yes it you 20% pe ade a obeya ne say obepe guarantor e dey akasa 20% na
okay
ye be say here o Ghana card and me raise 20% a 20,000 Ghana cedis here Delight Agency Limited e dey obetu kwan akọ USA and Canada na we no eye work permit ene de ma wo ukoye adwuma accommodation enso eka ho enye afei na wokoye adwuma ama wo de obi nkrata na akoye adwuma enye afei na wokoye adwuma ama usika akwakoto obi accounts mu na opa ene wakoyi ama we eye wan kasa won krata na ye process ede ama wo enti ade a wo be ya na se oba be fa form na o de o guarantor aba together with your Ghana card utiminya sa requirements we ya pusu enhoma no 0535 586131 0535 586131 Delight Agency Limited say you US a country anasa Canada a country there obema na ye mremremremre amount
so we know am so obia ba na bema timi ba
obia oba na bema so utimi tu kwan obetimi atu kwan akoye adwuma nko ade a
because chocolate factory there
yeah we no
chocolate mu menya sure so kwa akotentam na
bia we nya na de adwuma
and also obi so ban so anche
Debbie
was say amanfo je adwa
otum say ye wo first batch dia ye di kan be ye omo ho adwuma
mudi kan ba ya
aha sankrofo no omotimi e de omokọ this nipa omo sign batch no or try say obe process sankrofo no e de ama wo
wow
enti ye Kamfu Delight Agency Limited ama o say fa wakontu sem ho say wo koye adwuma e wa abrotimam de obi pese okọ Denmark wa ho den enso US de no Denmark wo homa Copenhagen chocolate factory your friend Tom's Group omo pe man mema eno omo aye adwuma we eye work and pay ye de ukọ wi a na wa ye adwuma atua ho ka e ka obebo no eye wo form fee ene o medical bills sanso na Maresi milk a omo wo Austria meche Salzburg omo milk e ho adwuma eno omo ye omo so pe e man mema eno omo aye adwuma e wo Austria eye Salzburg umpe we na opede ye pusu ehoma no of 0535 586131 I am from him etinyentremu bia na yebetibia ma bomode na pusu nhoma no bibia wonte ase bia no empanifo befa na ye no adi nkomo ye wo Atonsu Monaco Junction udu ho a no na yema bibia enkoye ema say US a ye hia 20% of 100,000 Ghana cedis, which is 20,000 Ghana cedis. And no the guarantee beka ho. Na yebe hia o Ghana card and so. Afen so se Denmark na opesa wo kode a ade a obeya ne se oba be fa form fee no ubetua. Afen so o medical fee ubetua. Na yemfa nko Denmark eye Copenhagen. Nene Tom's Group enkoye adwuma ho. Afen so Austria so ye do be ko Salzburg. Na woni Maresi milk akwakoye adwuma. Nti se wo yo ba so we bema de pusu Delight Agency Limited enhoma I was 0535 586131
okay
0535 586131 Atonsu Monaco Junction ena yewo
okay
Delight Agency Limited say wa country ho nsem de or ye number 1
yes
fancy
ama wo se nipa na ba so da se
all right
nti yama no free so mfa number
all right
number no so na that screen so nti wo Facebook pick number no real quick na obesimi afre va WhatsApp ko na so open so abe wo chat na wa send a message akọ so nti ada ma se pa wo ye na real quick we Delight Agency pen for no omo do ba kwa mo anya dwuma wo se kro so ye hard na ntempa ye wo to ye kwa ba minimum it's my kitchen restaurant so ene ya wa denti ene Benkone tilapia Thursday and koi now koto Benkone tilapia ni bina oye sa odana wome cho bako akan Wednesday bia pizza Wednesday and no buy one get one free afei enchene aduane ba be bo aduana chese aduane a ye fa ne lunch awia bomori so betimi akọ it's my kitchen na wakọ akọ bi sanse aduane ne kama ana wo to aduane wo it's my kitchen so anya value for money a ban of French fries no many drinks no say bia ya ma cocktail ne chese juice and Jack no it's my kitchen ebe serve kama Ghana nuane and continental afei e ba no se bia Chinese omo cuisines no so it's my kitchen be serve ama wenye bi edina afei wodi bi so a check how far one more stadium mo bemba ba na traffic light no baby on a honma pen na obehu it's my kitchen 0248 865046 0248 0248 02657046 and I say 0265707070 0265707070 OP what papers I will pay be out on so no wakwa fabia ban hon enye ira kwan I will draw duma obi so bia so ma direction so what papers no open colors the wom what designs arches and varieties I will choose here one kasam say a bed dim pass will be the open because ni nyina efe and ni nyina so ya papa what the farm down a farm water and a colors no so fade rough and in popo basa I 3D wallpapers and the blind curtains no what to be about ring light upebi I best side lamps out of call bedroom TV backlight or the ball flash screen a bus I will show series will share a movie session programs outdoor Emma when need any problem a face center carpet and air diffusers whoop a water fountain wall clocks whoop a flowers and I said that games in the outer but Maria so about she OP our doom pieces Nana Kusajman bounce name Ben Hello FM our first floor a fake chronom a barrier on so okon so our name market no edi and share also benya OP a 0540 353750 0540 353750 na OP and also yemfa commercials na kakra bi mbra bana yaba beto aso.
Hey, Sewa, me who watch you. Me na no me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afeina me beko. Me nkrata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanyo chedi mu sa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti. Akwento ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do beko mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say e to ana se visiting so a. Express Group do beko Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafo Labor roundabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Omo for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Mamisha, time HH heba Mr. Bina unumi. And ya wat dropa. Ya draw say. Mani pediam kwamwano enya hwaden. Na akwati ayare. Entwen yare ansan wakwa koto. Fire wadro. Na nomno abribia. Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono wonwa and the time HH heba Mr. Edia bejaso akra wonyanya mfrisia dumienu enumbi wo pemfo ene oba wo makra nufo enso enumbi time HH heba Mr. Who benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH heba Mr. Eyadro say FDA ade adwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya ya Ashford there na so evident no way
who that the evidence ben ninya Ashford toothbrush
oh sweetheart Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena dey amoku hu Ashford Princess and obra kodudie no so Ashford Galaxy wo dey na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
without Ashford toothbrush
my dear Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear papa moto ne to me ba dodomi ye dane bia akwahyehe ho Ashford Prince Ashford Princess Ashford Friendly Ashford Evident Ashford Executive ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes Fibo Ventures na kofa bedaso etu phone 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934 Ashford toothbrushes they will soon need.
If I shall be a shot your bag.
Brad, and not so good.
What time is she see you about Queen Wayne and say?
Brad, said your time about Mr. Esia Jimmy fearful, and not your back ever so.
Really, no this offering na.
Brass and make us a midi time herbal mixture one dance ya. Reasing in our ebertemenka. 80 malaria, where drawn it time herbal mixture.
And you go, dear, no more to want to meet any deal. Where drawn it time herbal mixture. A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one mark for down for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the time herbal mixture drabino. Shasta Wako Hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3D malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time herbal mixture. I feel malaria fever be than is ziva a woman. Ubenya be at all over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to namu. FDA aji ejadien kratoi at home.
And chechi if we gentleman dental clinic and chechra ubitimi anase anamoa ubitimi afaso ediabo osen ehoba obi na ohohu wonu eno so yadia ehia pa enuane nkaye no a odidi wie a eka wonu no e wo so otimi de ensuo ehohoro wonu na opigu eno eya anamoa ubitimi ediabo osen hoban o situ a eho so ehia pa se e wo se osi efi se wansi esen no a ema esen na aka ho no ahoden ekofom e wo se otimi brush otiti no 2 minutes twice every day. Debiano, I was so to spend it 2 minutes, and I'm not less than 2 minutes. Edipipri or sing, Anopa, any anyway. Gentleman Dental Clinic, Yatia Quine, and Yapan Cra, Abrepo Junction, Total Filling Station, wa traffic lights na, and you share G runabout on who free Total Filling Station, I have brought sign on a direct opposite to the Methodist School, a whole and a gentleman dental, yo, a year you may free Eda Juada Popim, Eda Memeda.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet. In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Partial Daily Jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway. Enipa ba ko pe ene pamade hye wo a obi ahye wo a wosan hwe obi mu onnoa ne bafo polo no wasua nkasa ene odi nimdie no nso yi adwuma eni so ojuju style eto ho a eda ho a na ehome bafo polo no odi Africa print textiles ene pam na die bia enjo pam Africa print polo shirts round neck shirts golf shirts v-neck shirts ene p opama tufo betu kogu on stores ene boutiques enti sa wo so nya adwuma betu bi cotton na on tisoma churches fan clubs, schools, unions, and your group Pia. Muhia Dodrono, and the Mamu members, no, and the students, Mumra, Monster Mope Friday wear, and the Mamu workers, Bafu Polo, I came, our gold package, and on Tadano SMO Duno, silver package, SMO Dunum, and a bronze, and SMO Du, or yet delivery. Echo Mama Panabe Pia, Bafu Polo and Tadano, so yes, Echo Pia, now a Pamama, and the Memina, Bafu Polo, and Kumasa and Marco Cobain, Santas. Telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919 and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. Answer you at Bafu Polo. Me say, so say Bafu Polo dia. Oh, and you now one session.
Okay, well, yeah, twas so now still live on Sompa 93.1 FM, live on full time. Now, Benjamin Dental Clinic, yeah, Jumaya Kacha say, Kona on solve a problem be our face orally. And so, Emma, no more someone I can the chance say, a sound do a goody pranumo. I am a for your incisors, our canines, your premolars, and your molars, our want to be a cacawano, a honor and just a molars, or siakasiano, Sebi our son and one bomuto crow and I say be our son yana a shaky was so now be say 2 near replacing the mouth and I say pobe say dentist and 2 now will see everybody any be more and you know what we call a Benjamin Dental Clinic na fee one also ashena wa boa kama esene de atiene say eso bu obeso fele and I say mpo wo se no yana efenfemo ebi so asere sisi wono ensi wo ye eni tubeso tutu sene nyina na wo line ni nyina up kama ehwe emesan so fefefe afei obeso ye teeth white and na ye clean wonum ema chese no bi aya na akwa hye wo sen ase ene sane mani nyina no yana chese no how abomode anso beko na afei wako ye gingimet dental clinic and as we teeth replacement obe teeth white and no be amao na afei wo sen so obeso hye ne silver and also obeso hye ne gold ni nyina no aye gingimet enso aneboa encry nungwa anasa atomic down kofodua wo ben central police station